We've got maybe 2 to 3 years before social media completely changes, and it's all because of AI and the speed of technology.
Hold on. Did that not feel a little bit weird to you?
Huh?
Yeah, that guy at the beginning of this video, that wasn't me.
No way.
That was my AI clone. His name is Adrian, obviously. But guess what? He's not wrong. With how fast the internet is moving today, you're about to be flooded with a lot of clones, deep fakes, fake content, and creators who actually never show up themselves. And one of the biggest struggles as a content creator and a personal brand is consistency. Recording, editing, showing up every single week. But now with cloning tool, you don't have to do any of that. So today I'm gonna show you how to clone yourself step by step. I'm gonna walk you through the entire process, what tools I'm using, how fast you can do it, and give you some tips on how to make your clone look as real as possible. And if you ask me, you should be leveraging AI and cloning tools to help yourself become a lot more efficient, especially if you are looking to build a name for yourself. As I said, within the next 2 to 3 years, everything is going to change. Competition is just going to be so high, and it's going to be very hard for you to stand out and get attention. So the time to get into AI and AI cloning is now. But first, let's talk about why this is even worth it. Let me break it down for you. Time and leverage. Record yourself once, use it everywhere, forever. By cloning myself, it frees up my time. It gives me time to think, to chill, and to create something meaningful. And we all know how it feels to be very, very busy, and to throw content on top of that. Yeah, cloning yourself is definitely the right move. Number two is it's available 24/7. While you're sleeping, it's working. So the algorithm doesn't know that I've actually cloned myself. So while I'm sleeping, the algorithm is still pushing my AI clone to a ton more people. So that means it's building trust for me, still sharing my message, and it's driving sales. Which brings me to point number three. It is consistent. With an AI clone, you never have to worry about not being consistent again. So no more burnout. It shows up every single day on every single platform. And if you're someone who is afraid of being on camera, this solves that problem for you as well. You no longer need to be in front of a camera. You literally sit down, record a video, and use that video to clone yourself. And then you will always be able to put yourself out there without actually being the one putting yourself out there. So with all that said, let me show you how to actually go about cloning yourself. The first tool I personally use is HeyGen. This creates your visual clone. Record 5 minutes of yourself talking, clear light, no cuts, just sit down, speak naturally. And when you're done, you upload it. And once it's done rendering, bam, you now have a clone. And it's that simple.
Okay, I'm back, but this time with a different look. With AI, you can have unlimited looks, and I never ever get tired.
Step two is you have to clone your voice. Now, HeyGen allows you to clone your voice there, but I found 11 Labs to be a lot more professional and a lot more efficient. So inside of 11 Labs, you have to clone your voice. You can use the same recording, or you can upload a brand new recording. So for example, I might take one of my YouTube videos, convert it to MP3, and then upload the audio of my voice to 11 Labs. Now inside of 11 Labs, you can adjust the tone as well as the style and variation of the voice. So not all your recordings will sound the same. And now you've got your own voice on autopilot. Now there's other tools, free tools, such as Replay that you can use to clone your voice as well as anyone's voice. But I'll make a video on that if you guys are interested. Just let me know in the comments. Now step three is using ChatGPT to create your script. So in ChatGPT, all you have to do is feed it your ideas, bullet points, or even drop it a voice memo and literally let it write the script for you. Now, once that's all done, the last and final step is to bring it all together. So there's two ways you can go from here. You can either just input the script in HeyGen by itself and use the AI voice that they have on that platform, or you can upload the script to 11 Labs. Again, I think 11 Labs is a lot more accurate when it comes to voice cloning. However, you can use the native platform inside HeyGen. And bam, once the video is done, you now have your AI clone. And when I say this works, it really works. For example, one of my clients used this exact strategy. They scripted 10 videos with ChatGPT, they cloned their face and voice, and they started posting 3 to 5 times a week. And as a result, they generated over 500 leads, closed 15 clients, and never had to even sit in front of a camera to record themselves. Let that sink in for a second. Now, I want to give you one final tip. Your clone 100% will have some weird eye movements or some weird glitches. So what you want to do is you want to fill that space with BRoll. And this is a good thing because BRoll actually makes your video a lot more engaging. Like if you look on social media, on YouTube or Instagram, TikTok, all these creators are using BRoll. So it's only naturally for you to also use BRoll when it comes to your AI clone. And then you literally won't be able to detect that it's not you. Now there's one secret that I have not shared in this video, and it is automation. There is a way to automate this entire process. So you can be posting 3 to 5 times a day. And it's literally using sites like make.com or Zapier or N8N. And I've built automations in all these tools. So if you want me to make a video showing you guys how to build automations to either create faceless content or to create AI clone videos of yourself, then drop in the comment automation, and then I will create a video and show you guys how to do this for yourself. And if you did find some sort of value from this video, then hit that subscribe button. So think of this as you are not really just cloning yourself. You're building a machine that looks like you, talks like you, and moves like you on video. So this will help you to consistently show up, scale your message, and grow your brand. And trust me, the earlier you start, the bigger your advantage will be. And if you want me and my team to build an AI clone for you and automate the entire process, there's going to be a link under this video. Click that link, and then I will see you in the next video.